Alright guys, welcome back to advisory number 12 on the hurricane in the Eastern Pacific. So the header for this advisory is tropical storm force winds and heavy rainfall affecting the coast of southwestern Mexico while the core of the hurricane passes just offshore. So location. About 60 miles south-southwest of Cabo Puentes, Mexico, or about 310 miles southeast of Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Its winds stay at 90 miles per hour, and it's moving north at 8 miles per hour. And there are no changes to this advisory in terms of the watches or warnings. So, the discussion and outlook. At 9 p.m. Mountain Time, because it switched over to Mountain Time now, the center of the hurricane was located near, I'm not going into that stuff, Enrique. The hurricane is moving toward the north at 8 miles per hour. A turn toward the north-northwest and then northwest is expected tonight and Monday. That general motion should continue thereafter for the next couple of days. In the forecast track, the core of the hurricane, along with the strongest winds, are expected to pass near the southwestern coast of Mexico tonight. Maximum sustained winds are near 90 miles per hour with higher gusts. Little change in strength is expected tonight. The hurricane is then forecast to begin weakening on Monday and continue to weaken through early this week. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 25 miles from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 105 miles from the center. Then the next advisory is at 12 a.m. Mountain Time. The next complete advisory is at 3 a.m. Mountain Time. So while we're here, let's look at the cone. And by 6 a.m. on Tuesday, the storm should be on its last update as a hurricane. And then by 6 p.m. on Tuesday, the storm should no longer be a hurricane and should be a weakening tropical storm. So let's look at tropical tidbits now. And let's see here. Has it redeveloped that eye? And it looks like it sorta has. Let's look at the visible shortwave. So I believe that's going to be our only view of this storm now. And it does not appear to me that the visible shortwave radar has that eye popping out anymore. While we're looking at it, let's go to Invest 96L real quickly. Just see if it looks like maybe a circulation's developed on it, but still nothing well noticeable. Still though, tropical storm warnings could be issued as soon as the 2 a.m. advisory. Well, I guess it would be an update because it isn't an official storm yet. But yeah, guys, that'll be it for the video tonight. I will see you all tomorrow morning, probably around 9-ish for the 8 a.m. advisory on the hurricane in the Pacific, and then Invest 96L, or Tropical Depression 4, or Tropical Storm Danny, whichever one it is. Anyways, guys, I will see you then.